Do you ever wonder why no matter how hard you work, you still feel broke? The truth is, it's not always about how much you earn, but about the habits silently draining your wealth. Today, I'll reveal 10 money habits that are secretly keeping you poor, and how to break free from them before it's too late. Habit 1. Impulse spending. You tell yourself it's just a coffee, just a snack, just one little purchase. But those little treats add up, and suddenly, hundreds are gone every month. Wealth isn't lost in one big mistake. It's chipped away one impulse at a time. Think about it. If you spend $10 daily on takeout, that's $3,600 a year. Imagine what that money could do if invested instead. The wealthy don't cut out every pleasure, but they understand that mindful spending today creates financial freedom tomorrow. Habit 2. Living paycheck to paycheck. If you spend every dollar you make, you'll never build freedom. Most millionaires didn't get rich overnight. They built safety nets, savings, and investments. The habit of always being one bill away from broke is financial quicksand. Even a small cushion, like saving 5 to 10% of your income, can break this cycle. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and multiply. Living paycheck to paycheck is like running on a treadmill. You're moving but going nowhere. Habit 3. Ignoring budgeting. Budgeting isn't boring, it's freedom. Without a plan, your money controls you. With a budget, you control your money. The wealthy don't avoid budgets, they master them. Think of a budget like a roadmap. Without it, you're just wandering with no direction, hoping to arrive at financial freedom by accident. Spoiler alert, you won't. Even a simple monthly budget helps you see where money leaks out and where it can grow. Habit 4. Carrying credit card debt. Interest is the silent thief of wealth. If you're paying 20% interest while keeping savings at 2%, you're literally burning money. The habit of carrying debt keeps you chained to banks instead of building your future. Every swipe feels harmless in the moment, but the debt piles up faster than you realize. Wealthy people use credit as a tool, not a crutch. If you're only paying the minimum balance, you're building someone else's empire, not your own. Habit 5. Trying to impress others. Expensive clothes, flashy cars, latest gadgets. Many people go broke trying to look rich. Real wealth is quiet. Broke people scream. The habit of impressing others is one of the costliest traps. True confidence doesn't need validation from brand names or luxury labels. Ironically, the people you're trying to impress often don't even notice. Or worse, they don't care. Stop buying things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people you don't even like. Habit 6. Not investing early. Savings alone won't make you wealthy. Inflation eats at idle money. The wealthy build habits of investing early and consistently. Stocks, real estate, businesses. The poor wait for the perfect time that never comes. Even small amounts invested regularly grow massively over time because of compounding. If you're not investing, you're choosing to let your money shrink instead of grow. Habit 7. Ignoring financial education. You spent years in school learning algebra, but not how to manage money. That's why self-education is key. Reading financial books, listening to experts, watching videos like this are habits that separate the rich from the poor. Money is like a game, and those who win are the ones who learn the rules. The sad truth is, many people never upgrade their money knowledge, and they pay the price for it every single day. Habit 8. Relying only on one income stream. Relying on just one paycheck is dangerous. If that source dries up, so does your life. The wealthy build multiple streams, side hustles, passive income, investments, while the poor cling to one. In today's world, no job is guaranteed forever. Having extra income streams isn't about greed, it's about security. One side hustle could be the difference between drowning in bills or staying afloat when times get tough. Habit 9. No emergency fund. One unexpected bill, a car repair, a hospital visit, can throw you into chaos if you're unprepared. Wealthy people protect themselves with an emergency fund. Poor people gamble on luck. Without a safety net, life's surprises turn into financial disasters. Just 3 to 6 months of savings can save you from crushing debt and sleepless nights. It's not just money, it's peace of mind. Habit 10. Short-term thinking. Chasing quick wins, get-rich-quick schemes, and instant gratification are habits that destroy wealth. True wealth comes from long-term discipline. Small, smart decisions compound into financial freedom. It's tempting to look for shortcuts, but shortcuts often lead to dead ends. The wealthy think in decades, not days. Build habits today that your future selves will thank you for. Remember, wealth isn't about luck, it's about habits. If you eliminate even a few of these money traps, your future will transform. The difference between being broke and building wealth comes down to the choices you make daily. So take a moment and ask yourself, which of these habits is costing you the most right now? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want to build smarter money habits, this is just the beginning. Subscribe to The Growth Theory, hit the notification bell, and join a community that's committed to financial freedom and personal growth. Don't just watch, take action, because your future self is depending on the habits you build today. Share this video with someone who needs it. Let's grow together.